Okay, where are my hair extensionists at? I know you'll feel me on this one. How many of you struggle as to which weft option to choose, right? We love the customization of a hand-tied weft. We love that it lays flat and natural to the head, but we hate that we can't cut it, right? Okay, then we choose a machine weft. It's awesome, nice and dense, I can cut it. I can also deconstruct it down to smaller layers. However, it's still not as fine as I'm looking for. Maybe both options, we hate that there's a mustache, right? Don't you just wish you can take these two types of wefts, marry them together to create an entirely new type of weft? Yeah, look no further. Aqua created this for you. Introducing the Aqua Q-Weft. Yes, we took everything you love about a hand-tied weft, the benefits of a machine weft, combined them into one and created the Aqua Q-Weft. Some benefits of the Aqua Q-Weft. The Aqua Q-Weft can be cut. Yes, you heard me correctly. This weft can be cut without completely unraveling and coming apart. Look closely, it also has no mustache. That is a game changer. Also, the Q-Weft can be applied the same exact way you're already applying a hand-tied and machine weft. It's amazing, right? The Aqua Q-Weft is going to change your weft game behind the chair. Stay tuned for a launch date coming soon.